Hey Fabio, I know that it sucks when this kind of stuff happens. I cannot tell you how many times this has happened to me within my organization, my community. There are three things that you have to consider. Good morning, Team Danlock. Let's start with some wins. Team who's got some wins you would like to share.
We just completed another successful HT coach class, and also last week the HTC 3.0 class. There's a big stir in the community.
We launched our TikTok account, so we posted our first video yesterday and it already has almost 10,000 views, so that's a win.
Nice. That's man, I need some dance from you, man. So Scott came in Red Dragon. He was doing about, I think, 30,000 a month in revenue. Okay.
First, I want to tell you an awesome win. I got the stats back for April, and I hit 190,000 in April. Hell yeah, right? We blew it out of the water really well with this launch, so really took it to an awesome, extraordinary level. I feel like I multiplied by 8 times in just a month's time. So thank you for everything. I'm telling you, I can't tell you thank you enough for your teachings and everything. It's just freaking awesome. So let's keep it rocking.
Yeah, 8 times. Holy that's pretty damn good. When he first came in, he was just struggling to find his model a bit. I just did a one-on-one with him, and he implemented exactly what I laid out in one-on-one, and then he launched, and boom, 8 times more revenue. Have certain predators, right? Bad apples, to try to ruin your community. So three questions you have to ask. Do you have the terms and conditions, right? Because once I have the strong terms and conditions, that reduces and basically eliminates this problem. How can you prevent this from happening in the future? Moving forward, paint a disconnect. So when they leave the community, all the things that they say is simply not true. I've seen it so many times. I'm not getting enough gigs, I'm this, I'm that. The truth is they are lazy and they don't implement. And they want someone to blame. So you need to build the business in such a way that you can prevent this from happening. You have very strong terms and conditions so no one dares to with you. I know it's very easy to react, but we got to respond to a scenario like this and not just reacting to it. It's so much easier to put yourself in an environment where everything pulls you forward than dragging you down. It's very hard to fight it. It's just very, very hard. It's like a nice, clean glass of water, right? But it's like one little drop of ink, it gets darkened, right? Another drop of ink, it gets a little darkened. And you don't realize it, but you're like, you know how hard it is to get this to be clear, right? But it doesn't take a whole lot of effort to get it dark again. That's the thing. So proximity, who you spend time with, is actually, you can't help, right? If you hang around with people who doesn't have a whole lot of ambitions, who settles, who mediocre, you be mediocre. You can't help. I personally think the purpose question is a lot easier than what most people think. A lot of people, they find, my purpose is to this, my purpose is this. I think for all human beings, this is just my perspective, right? To put on this planet, it's just to be the best version of us. However, through whatever means. For some, it's music. For some, it is athletic. For some, it's whatever it might be. Doesn't matter what it is. The truth is, the vehicle doesn't really matter. It's not the destination, it's the journey. Who am I becoming? I take pride in what I do. I get the joy comes from doing great work. Hi, this is Danlock. We're looking to invest $10 million in 100 tech startups in the next 3 years. You could be one of them. If you are a founder of a tech startup, if you are looking for financial capital, guidance, and mentorship, go to www.danlockventures.com to see if you qualify.